Hello guys, today I have the Blackview a55 model. I will show you how to make bypass Google account. It's very easy, very simple. You just to connect on Wi-Fi. I already connected, and put the SIM card which one have the contract number, and just go to the emergency call. Gonna see now. You go to contract, just select any number here. I already selected. You just go to text and open three dot here. Sorry, just to go back like this. You select anything, just here www dot e.com. Just send it. You just now you open here. Okay, you just press here or setting about it's just here. Go no thanks. VNROM open setting. Just want to see which the version 11 you can see here. App notification. You see a Google Play service. You make disable and go back. You just wait now. Coming back, you just go here. Just press one time back. You see here now offline setup. Continue. Next. Just here 30 seconds. Or just you wait here. You see now you just go back again. Do the very same thing, just press here. You see, go back here. Go again for the setting. Go app notification. You see this Google Play servers now, just enable. Yeah, now let's go back. You again go to default app, just click here. You're coming back, just start now. You press one time, go back. Just press one time back. Now we see here. Yes. Offline. Very easy, very simple now. Now you activate your phone here. And it's done now. Thank you for watching video, and like the video please, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.